Hello there. Programming is interesting, but all of us are not good on it, especially when it comes to AI or machine learning. Here you can see a couple of examples like this web-controlled expedition rover with live stream and just a recognizing camera. Did you believe that I made these without writing a single line of code? Yes, I made these using C Studio CodeCraft AI assistant platform. You just say what you want to build, CodeCraft will generate the code for you. Not only that, you can upload the generated code directly to your development boards, and also we can debug. No need to download code or any library. So in this video, let's see how we can use CodeCraft AI coding assistant from Seed Studio, and let's build this expedition robot together. First, go to codecraft.seed.cc. You will land on the homepage of CodeCraft and you can see the slogan, you say it, I built it. Exactly. Now click on get started and sign up with your account. That's it, we are good to go. Now in the building plans, you can see 3 plans. A free plan to test and for normal use, then a pro and max plans for accessing the complete potential. You can use my referral link to get 10% discount and the link is available in the description. Currently, CodeCraft completely supports XIAO ESP32 Sense, via terminal and Grow Beginner Kit. Also by providing the complete details, CodeCraft can generate firmwares for other ESP32 series and Arduinos. Currently, I have a XIAO ESP32S3 Sense and a L293D motor driver. With this, let's build a expedition robot. So what I did here is, I just said to CodeCraft what I want to build in simple words like this. I want to build a expedition robot using XIAO ESP32S3 Sense and L293D motor driver. The footage from the camera module should be displayed on a beautiful web interface. Also, I should be able to control the robot using a joystick on the same web interface. Now hit enter and CodeCraft will generate the code for you. You should specify what component you are using and what are the features you need. After a couple of minutes, you can see CodeCraft generated the code and flash files. Not only that, it provides the connection details and programming instructions. It is clear and picture perfect. In the right side, you can see the flashing tab. From there, you can see the Arduino code, web flasher, and debug tabs. We can also download the flash file and copy the Arduino code if we want. Now connect the XIAO ESP32 Sense to the computer and let's flash. After flashing, I connected the hotspot and you can see the web interface and live footage. Everything seems perfect. To test the working of joystick, I placed the components on a breadboard and connected everything according to the CodeCraft code. This is the completed breadboard connection and here I added 2 N20 motors. And now you can see that the motors responds to the joystick. Perfect. Now I placed all components on a common board and soldered everything together. This is the assembled circuit. Here I have added a 3.7 volt battery and its charger and 5 volt booster circuit for the proper working. To build the rover structure, I used my old Mars rover design and changed a little to fit the circuit. You can download all the 3D files. After 3D printing and assembly, you can see the completed expedition robot. I placed the camera on the top side and I think it is good. Now the final test. You can see the perfect working of the expedition robot. This is how we can make decent projects without writing a single line of code. So all in all, CodeCraft AI programming assistant is perfect for me to generate programs for my projects. The built-in flasher gives extra points to CodeCraft. So if you are interested, do check out the CodeCraft assistant for your next project. All the links are given in the video description. So that's all about today. Hope you got some new ideas and enjoyed my video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. That's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.